Do you want to be a YouTuber and monetize your videos, but you get stuck at this verification screen? No worries.
I got you, bro.
As you can see here, this is the phone verification window. I used to get an error here for my YouTube channel, but it somehow works now, so I don't know how to replicate it. So when there is a phone verification error, these are the first things you must do. 1. Check if your phone carrier supports text and/or voice messages from Google. Some carriers don't have this feature, so you need to change to a different carrier for your number or use someone else's number. Also, if the number is used to verify 2 accounts for this year already, use a different number. Don't worry, the phone verification is a one-time thing, so the phone number you used won't be permanently linked to your YouTube account. 2. If you have VPN on, turn it off. A VPN may mess up the verification process. 3. Make sure your country of residence in YouTube Studio is correct. Go to YouTube Studio, then click Settings. Pick Channel, then select the country that you're currently residing in. 4. Clear your cache images and files in your browser. Click the icon with 3 dots at the top right of your window. Go to Settings, pick Privacy and Security. Then select Delete Browsing Data. Then, tick this box. You may tick the other boxes too, just check the labels I placed here for your guidance. Then, click Delete Data. 5. You may reboot your phone. Press down on the off button of your phone until some buttons show up on your screen. Then, click Reboot. After all that, go back to the YouTube phone verification window. Make sure the country selected is correct. Then, put in your phone number with these different patterns. You can use either text or call, depending on which works. If there is still an error, use a different device to open the phone verification or use a different phone number. Also, sometimes, you must wait for 24 hours before being able to try again. If it still persists, you can go to the Google Help forum to search for more help, or message the YouTube team on Twitter or a verified YouTube account with YouTube support. Another way, although unconventional in some sense, but I read it worked for someone, is to spam next when verifying, then spamming refresh. Hope this helps you. If not, I'm deeply sorry. Good luck on your YouTube journey and have fun. Bye bye.